there was a need to create a system to track shipments and inventory updates for the magazine's sponsor program. So the magazine receives items from sponsors based on the contract, where it specifies a specific number of items. And then he gathers different items in boxes and sends them out to recipients. So a set of items in each box, which goes out to one recipient. And there is a number of boxes in one shipment, which goes out to different recipients. And the task was to systemize all this process, both from the contract standpoints, how many items was promised by the contract, how many items was received, how many items was sent, revenue per contract, revenue per item, stock alerts, how many items was sent to recipients, in which particular shipment, and there was a need to know the revenue per shipment, per contract, per item, and per box, and also to see and control cost of goods per contract and cost of goods per each specific shipment. And here is what was done. First of all, two levels was created, shipment and a box. Each shipment consists of boxes, and each box consists of specific number of items. So the box wouldn't have to be filled out every time. The box template was created for most used sets of items in a box. We'll be able to see when we add items to the box, how many items are left in stock. And then workflow is done in a way that apart from the inventory items, which was pre-filled in the template, we don't have to actually fulfill almost anything else. For example, if we need to add a new box to a shipment, we just click plus new and it's already related to the shipment, and then we fill it out. We apply a template. And only one thing we would have to do is to pick a recipient. There's also an inventory module that allows to manage and see what parts of the contract was received. We also will be able to see items revenue. Also will be able to see recipients with per box revenue and the sent date based on the shipment's date, and all the sponsors that the recipient's box contains. And we'll also be able to see all the needed info in contracts, including how many items was received in the contract, how many items was sent, for example, 370 out of 480, which is 77.1%. How many items left in stock. We'll be able to set the stock alert and receive notifications. We'll be able to see contract revenue, shipment cost of goods, and many other different things. And almost like boxes, there is just a few things that actually have to be filled out. Just a few clicks of a button. The system was integrated into the existing Notion account and connected with two databases. And those databases are pulling different kinds of data from this system. The system consists of a number of databases, relations between them, formulas, and rollups, which pull and manipulate data back and forth between them. It is designed in a way to facilitate the most efficient workflow based on the client's requirements.